we've got so many DIYs to do, you guys. So many DIYs.
Something got me seeing stars. I fall apart, this crush is gonna crush my heart. So lush, I'm loving lying in your arms. I fall apart, this crush is gonna crush my heart. Baby, I should know better, should keep it all together, but I won't. Hanging on to a bit later, you're telling me forever. I lose it, I lose my mind.
You guys, we're hosting again. I am so excited. Like, I don't know if you guys watched my birthday vlog, okay, but I did a little birthday vlog and I have all this hosting energy in me. I'm just like, oh, cocktails, game night, girls. Ah. I am going to be doing a Galentines for February. We're actually going to be doing it this weekend. We've got some really good ideas, you guys. We're going to do a mimosa bar. We're also going to have like games. It's going to be a brunch, by the way, a Galentine's brunch. I told all the ladies to come in pink, come dressed in pink.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
We're also going to be making little charm bracelets. So I'm actually about to take you guys with me to Hobby Lobby to buy the bracelets and the charms. Unlike the last vlog, which I showed you like the day of the decorating, I want this time to show you guys the whole process of planning. Let's head out and go to Hobby Lobby to look at the charms and see what they have. So I've been hearing a lot of stuff on TikTok about Valentine's Day decor at the Dollar Tree, and so I had to stop there first. I got about 50% of my decorations from there. They had all kinds of napkins, plates. I got all my gift bags from there, and I think with everything I got, it was like a total of 25 bucks. So I highly recommend stopping there first before you go anywhere else. Alright, so I'm doing a balloon arch and I need some flowers to go inside, and I think these are cute. How cute are these? So cute. You guys, I just found the charm section. Let's see. Are these charms? Oh, there they are, charms. I need 10 charm bracelets. Actually, I think 11 because I'm not counting myself. So I need 11 bracelets. Also think I want to do like a welcome sign, like Galentine's party welcome sign, and so I need to get the materials for that too because I looked up the cost to print it and it's super expensive. So, ooh, I should get a charm for the first, with the first letter name of everybody that's coming to the party. I also need those little pliers that you use to open up the charm, so that's something else I have to get. There's so many options. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is day 2 of decorating for Galentine's, and what we're gonna do today is as much decorating as possible. It's 4 o'clock now, and so I don't know how much decorating I'm gonna be able to show you guys because the sun is about to set, but we are gonna do our balloon arch. It's gonna go all the way around here. I've got a ton of flowers that I'm gonna like stick in between the balloons and create like, you know, like a little cutesy moment. So that's gonna take a minute. We've got so many DIYs to do, you guys. So many DIYs. Okay, so the first and biggest DIY is this DIY balloon archway. Next, we have to do a DIY welcome sign. So we're gonna do like Galentines. I'll think of something cutesy to put on it. DIY number 3 is a DIY burn box. So if you guys are Mean Girls fans, they have the burn book, and I'm making a burn box, and it's gonna be for one of the games that we're playing. So keep on watching to the end so you can see what that game is. And then DIY gift bags. We might get to 2 today. We still have tomorrow, and then Saturday is the party. So yeah, let's get to blowing up some balloons.
You were burning like a summer in my heart till you found another northern star, following a lover right out of my ocean, and I was broken.
I just finished all of these and like put the clusters together. Right now they're just individual clusters. All right, good night.
Never like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue.
Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of the Galentine setup. So I have been doing the little garland. My house is a mess. This is what pre-party usually looks like, just chaos. So I have a whole box full of flowers that I got from my church, actually. So there's a bunch of stuff. I got some thank you cards for the gift bags in here, some paper. Oh, and I got these little things for our charm bracelets that we're gonna make. I'm so excited, guys. All these flowers, I'm going to just kind of drape them from the balloons, and hopefully I don't pop any. We'll see. I also have these that I'm going to put in the balloons as well, possibly. All right, so the balloons come with this like little sticky tape. I'm gonna take these little sticky tapes and put them on the balloons and try to stick it to the ceiling.
Years later.
Right, now it's time to add the flower.
8:01 p.m.
All right, you guys, so when I got home, I came to this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The whole thing just fell down. I'm so over it right now. Like, I don't even care anymore. So what I decided to do is instead of putting the arch up there and defying gravity, I am going to go ahead instead and just build the balloons around this sign. I got this chalkboard sign at what was it, Hobby Lobby. So I just did welcome to Julian's Galentines brunch. I've got the date, celebrating friendship. I drew some flowers and I drew some little bubbling mimosas there, and just keeping it simple.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name? Instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe. Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. But one look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name?
everyone just left for the night. It was such a good time. We had so much fun. There was like tons of laughs and games, and oh, and we made these like cute little charms. Let me show you. We made these cute little charms. They're so cute. So that is it for today's video. I tried to vlog as much of the setup process as possible. If you want to see another event decorating video, I have my birthday celebration that I did some decorating for. I'll make sure to link that after this video. Anyway, I love you all so much. Have a happy Valentine's or happy Galentines. And I hope you found some inspiration in this video for your decoration process. I love you all, and I will see you next week. Bye. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait,
I keep saying
wrong end.
Oh wait.
It might look good for the camera.
Let's all put it in on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Put it in, and then pull it out. Or you can do it out. Try not to.